Regulatory T cells, Tregs, are special white blood cells that naturally exist in our bodies as part of the immune system. These cells act as peacekeepers in the immune system, working to suppress the immune response and limit excessive inflammation. Tregs help maintain healthy immune function by preventing the immune system from becoming too aggressive or causing unnecessary inflammation. Researchers have found a direct link between declining levels of functional Tregs and faster ALS progression. In people with ALS, these important protective cells, quote, become dysfunctional, with reduced anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive actions. This dysfunction contributes to harmful inflammation in the nervous system that can accelerate ALS symptoms. Scientists are exploring whether boosting Treg levels or improving their function in the early stages of ALS could slow disease progression. Multiple studies have shown it's possible to safely collect a patient's own Tregs, expand their numbers in the laboratory, and boost their immunosuppressive action before returning them to the patient. Although these studies have been small, they've consistently shown that this procedure is safe and well tolerated by people with ALS. By targeting one of the biological mechanisms that may contribute to ALS progression, immune dysfunction, this approach goes beyond just treating symptoms. Rather than introducing foreign substances, this approach works by enhancing the body's own protective cells. This research suggests that earlier treatment with Tregs might help slow the disease process before significant damage occurs. This research represents an encouraging direction in ALS treatment development that targets an important biological mechanism, the immune system's role in protecting the nervous system. While still in development, these early positive safety results provide hope for a new approach to potentially slowing ALS progression.